I can't go in my own house, right?
I
can't go in my own house. You just blocked me from going in my own house. You got aggressive with me on my own property, on private property.
I showed no signs of aggression.
Our thugs keeping me in the cold from coming into my own property. Your attitude is so different now that you're on camera. It is comical.
It is.
Hey, we're looking for a cardboard box, Judge. Can we get a warrant for a cardboard box?
Welcome back to the channel, and today's video captures a hard-to-believe scene where Brownstown police swarm a private home over nothing more than a vague accusation about cardboard boxes, and then block a law-abiding citizen from entering his own house in freezing weather. No warrant, no evidence, just attitude, assumptions, and threats disguised as an investigation. And as usual, the moment the cameras are on, the whole situation turns awkward and unintentionally comedic in the most frustrating way possible. Let's watch how a so-called serious investigation quickly collapses into a complete circus, and see who is forced to back down in embarrassment. But first, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and share your thoughts on this interaction.
What's your name?
Chad Capewood.
What's this fellow's name?
Deputy Mitch Ray.
Mitch Ray? All right, thank you guys. I can't go in my own house, right? I can't go in my own house. You just blocked me from going in my own house.
Not at this point.
And your attitude shows aggression on my property.
That's right. That is
Yes, that is right.
Investigation by
That is right. You got aggressive with me on my own property, on private property.
I showed no signs of aggression.
All right, well, I'm
You
cold.
just stopped us from going in the house. What do you mean no aggression? That's beyond aggressive.
Stay quiet. Stay calm. Because these people will use it against us if we don't.
You're right.
Because they ain't here to help us. None of them are here to help us.
This is my boss here, Chief Deputy Dustin.
Tell him, Dustin what?
Dustin Stewart.
Dustin Stewart. Very nice. Thugs. Keeping me in the cold from coming into my own property.
In the middle of the winter.
In the middle of the winter. Can you believe this? Accusing my friend of stealing property that has not been stolen. They tell me that they're going to go in my house and search for labels on boxes, Amazon boxes, that aren't on my address, and then they're going to take action legally against me when I told them I have 100 boxes in that room right there, because I ship stuff out every day and my neighbors give me their empty boxes and can verify. They don't want to go and verify my neighbors because why? Because you don't want to know the truth.
Your job's to protect the American Constitution, not harass us. Well, you're sure shitting on our
Your
day.
attitude is so different now that you're on camera. It is comical.
It is.
It's comical.
Yeah.
You're an asshole, dude.
You're just coming to
You're
shit
an
on
asshole.
our day, bro.
Here comes another one.
Oh, here. All right. What's this guy got for us?
Nicky, just stay calm. This is the most aggressive.
This is aggressive as fuck.
This is the most and this is America. This is America, guys. This is America. That guy right there, he thinks he's America, but he's not.
Blocking you from getting in your own house.
It's wild, man. Cold as hell out here, too. They say they lied and said that my car was spotted picking up packages off people's. I make more money than all of these dudes combined, and they think I'm going to steal a package off someone's porch? You're crazy. You're crazy. These dudes are crazy. I'm not going to steal anything from anyone. I work harder than they could ever imagine to work. Look at them. They don't even work. They just ride around in trolley cars all day that they were given. They didn't work for nothing. But they want to take everything I work for? They're going to keep me out of my house when it's private property? I own this. Do you own your house?
Sure do.
Do you pay payments on that?
I do not.
You own it. How long did it take you to pay that off? You remember?
What does that matter?
You remember? It took me 3 years to pay this off, buddy.
Okay.
3 years.
Would you let someone stop you from going in your house?
Hell no. It's dangerous to do that, actually. You know that's
No,
a...
you would.
you-
And you know what you're doing is wrong. You can't
Yeah,
come to
it's
an
illegal.
American's house
It's
and
illegal.
kick them out of their own house.
It's illegal.
Your job is to protect the American Constitution, and you're failing right now.
How many cops do you guys need? Hell, what's funny over there? What's so funny over there?
What, is the Constitution funny to
You
you?
fucking
Is
gangster.
that hilarious to you? The fact that I have American rights, is that funny to you?
Just
I'm an American citizen.
man,
you.
just stay calm. They ain't got nothing. They're not gonna have anything. And I swear to my goodness, after I tell them, if you think you're gonna take a label that's on a box that's not in my name and take me to jail, I will sue the pants off of you.
Nobody's looking for you.
You just told me you're looking for labels that aren't in my name, and I just told you there's labels in that room that aren't in my name, piled almost to the ceiling. That ain't fine. None of this is fine. None of this is fine. You are on my property. None of this is
no
fine.
evidence. This is all allegation because nothing happened.
There's zero
So
evidence.
what evidence do you have to get
probable
anything
cause
to stop us from going in this
That
house?
the description and everything matches in and gives us probable cause for a search warrant, and they sign the search warrant. we'll conduct a search. If the judge says no, just because they match it.
Like they said last time, they told you no last time.
They won't grant
They
the
told
search.
you no last time you were 4 deep at my house
And you know
trying to
what?
search
They
it.
could tell us no
This is
time.
the second time you guys have been here trying to search my house.
me.
I don't care. You guys were standing all like this with your vests tucked in your vest like you guys are something. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck off my property.
This is America. Not
You
secure.
fucking goons. And if he's guilty, I'm gonna be pissed at you if you're guilty.
Hell no.
You ever taken anything?
Fuck no.
Okay.
Fuck no. This is a push around. This is a shove around. Is what this is.
More like a
And
reach around.
Yeah, more like a reacher. Look at it. With all
I
these
pity you
numbers.
all.
This is,
I pity you all so much.
This is intimidation tactics.
They ain't intimidating shit.
That's what this is.
They ain't intimidating shit.
Intimidation tactics.
I've been to jail. It ain't shit. They think they're gonna, this is, even if they convict you, even if they find
They
anything.
can't. We didn't do
I know,
anything.
I know. That's the funny part. But even if they break the law and try to do
I'll
this,
get rich. I'm not
gonna
scared.
laugh my way to the bank.
Dude, I'll get
I will
rich.
laugh my way to the bank.
Make me rich. Retire me, please.
So silly. So silly. Clowns everywhere. Where's the circus? I
What
didn't.
the fuck's that guy looking at?
Where's the circus? Can you tell me where the circus is? Because you work for them.
Oh, look at this guy.
Oh God, not the guy in blue jeans. Not the guy in blue jeans. He's wearing blue jeans, y'all.
It ain't rap. His
It's-
blue jeans fit better than mine.
It's the casual trooper. So cold out here, I'm shaking, dude.
Yeah, this is not right at all. Yeah.
How long are you guys
Send
gonna?
this to a lawyer, period.
How long?
If
I'm
they
going
don't
to.
go in.
I'm going to. I got
Yeah.
plenty of money to hire a lawyer,
Yeah.
and that's exactly what's gonna get done. I'm gonna call him as soon as these goons
Yeah,
are
they're
off my
literally
property.
telling you can't go in your house.
That's wild.
That's fucked up. They can't do that.
They can't. I know they can't. But I'm not going to put myself in a position because these guys want me to act aggressive. These guys want me to do something outlandish, so they can be like, "Aha! We can't get your cardboard, so we'll take you to jail on assault charge or disorderly conduct like they tried last time." You know, I was arrested in North Vernon. The cop lied about what he arrested me for, and then they dropped all the charges because they didn't have any proof that he lied about. That's why I don't respect any of you. Not one of
You
you.
lied, you shouldn't have been charged. Or you
I was
shouldn't have
charged with disorderly conduct because the cop lied because I got pissed off because he lied.
I mean,
That's why I got charged.
What do you
Y'all
mean?
start your
Like,
shit
you're gonna
and
get
I go to jail
nothing
for it.
happened. There's no evidence of anything because nothing happened. What kind of warrant are you gonna get without being a dirty fucking goon?
They ain't
For
gonna
real.
get no
without
warrant.
being a dirty goon.
Hey, we're
What
looking for a
warrant are you
cardboard
getting?
box, Judge. Can we get a warrant for a cardboard box? I'd be amazed. I'd be amazed.
Oh no, that'd be a bigger lawsuit. Let them do it.
Oh, they already got a lawsuit on my hands. I already got a
Oh,
lawsuit.
they already are. Yeah, they're stopping you from getting in your own house.
I'm freezing cold. I'm gonna get sick too. I
It's
guarantee
cold
I
as
get
fuck
sick.
out here, yeah.
I guarantee I get sick.
I'm literally shaking because I'm so cold, and you're
I
not even
guarantee-
letting us in his house. He
I
owns it.
guarantee you I get sick. Guarantee it. You hear these sniffles already?
I
I'm
got
getting
two,
sick
yeah.
right now, dude.
Look at this. Look at that already.
Loss of wages, harassment. I demand to know who called and said that bullshit too.
Yeah, actually, he does have the right to face his accuser.
That's right. I'm not being accused of nothing. You are.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. So who's my accuser? I do have the right to know.
I'd love to know.
Everything will be in Deputy Ray's report.
Okay, good.
Good.
What report?
I'd like to know my accuser because it sounds like all bullshit.
It is bullshit. It is bullshit. They hate self-employed people like me, dude. They hate them. They hate them. The government hates people like me.
And I know my rights. They're not treading on the right one right now.
Self-employed people that make good money, they hate them.
I'm an American, and these guys, like, this is America. You're telling me he can't go in his own house. Wow. Wow.
That's all right. It'll be worth it. It'll be worth it. I'll sue every one of these motherfuckers, dude.
Do it.
I'll sue them all.
I'm a witness. I'll go to court with you.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good. And I got video evidence too. That shit pisses me off. As hard as I work for my money, this pisses me off, dude. God dang, I could call the judge and get it faster than this. Clowns. Clown posse. Insane clown posse.
How long have we been out here? Look at your time.
Oh, 10 minutes.
10 minutes
Just
already?
about. 10 minutes too long.
Yeah, it's so cold as fuck, man.
Accuse you of picking up a package, bro. Did you go in anyone's yard and pick a cigarette butt up?
No.
Man,
So Fucking package. What a pussy.
Oh, they've been trying their hardest, dude. They've been trying. Hey.
You're in America, not Nazi Germany.
This is how bored Brownstown law enforcement is. When they see there's cardboard missing, they roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deep. Someone's missing some cardboard. Call the posse. Call the Kingsmen. Let's go get the cardboard nappers. I hope they take me to jail for this.
I hope they try something. That'll just get us richer.
I hope.
I ain't scared.
You guys they got good heat in that place too. Free
Yeah, I ain't
food.
scared of
good
mine.
heat.
And you get 3 meals a day?
Oh boys, make my day. Make my day.
And my bank account, boy.
Make it.
Brush Valley
Look, get
Charity.
this. How many times did we stop that car for you to get out today?
Once.
What did you get when you got out of my car?
Cereal boxes right over.
So this clown tells me that someone called saying that we stopped my car to get a package off their porch. Today. I've left one time to get coffee. Dropped you at a mercy box because you don't have a job right now and I'm trying to help you on your feet. And this is how they do. This is how I like this guy. He hasn't said anything. That's a good
He's
cop.
the smartest one here, yeah.
That's a good cop. This guy, he's a shitbag.
He is a shitbag, yeah.
That guy might be a good cop over there. There might be a couple good cops over there. But this guy blocking my door is a fucking idiot shitbag.
Yeah, you guys do know you're stopping him from getting in his house that he
This
owns
is
in
illegal.
America, right?
This is illegal.
And yeah, he's right. This is illegal what you're doing.
100%. Can't wait. Cannot wait. I've already informed these officers that I ship things out in boxes for a living.
You own an
And then they told me that they're looking for a box that has a label that's not my name. I was like, oh, that's disaster because there's probably about 100 of them in there.
Yeah, I know a lot of people that give you boxes.
Yeah, like the whole neighborhood because they trust me and they tell me I'm one of their best neighbors they've ever had. That's okay. That's fine.
So literally, so even if someone were to bullshit allegate some shit like that, it's
Oh, that's a bullshit allegation for
How
sure.
the hell are you gonna get a warrant on allegations with no evidence?
They don't have, they ain't gonna get a warrant, dude. This judge is gonna be like, you guys are wasting everyone's time and asking for a lawsuit, begging for a lawsuit,
Yeah, you're
which
begging-
they're gonna get.
Yeah,
See you later, bud.
fuck out of here.
That's one that knows ain't shit happening today.
Yeah, you can all get the fuck out of here, probably in your
Absolutely, all of you. Treating us like thieves. I'm a businessman. I operate my own business,
Innocent,
and
law-abiding Americans.
they're gonna treat me like a thief on my own property and bar me from getting in my fucking house. What
Yeah,
a
what the
fucking
fuck is
game.
that? Is that part of your guys' memo to not?
No,
let
it's
people in
not.
their
It's
houses?
illegal, dude.
Is that
That's
in
illegal.
your job description that you can stop people from getting in their houses with no cause?
They think they have something, man, and it's so comical.
No, they thought they were going to come here and push us around, but they didn't know we know our Constitution.
These white
and our
boys
rights.
know.
That's what's going on.
I've been around and around with these goons, dude. They're the most dishonest gang in America. I'd rather deal with the Bloods or the Crips on any day.
Yeah.
They're more honest. At least they claim to be gangsters. These guys don't. Fucking gangsters. This guy right here, what he's doing, has costed people
Yeah, you need
a lot.
You need to go for his badge. Dude.
I'm good.
You need to go for more. You need to go for more than money. You need to go for his badge too.
I
He
will.
can't stop you from
I will.
leaving your house.
I will. And I've got the money too, as well. And I don't give a damn about money. I don't give a damn.
Y'all done fucked up.
I have bought and sold so many cars, dude.
Stepped up to the
I built the
wrong
engine
house
in
this
that
time.
car. That's how skilled I am.
Dude, they tried stopping me when I was walking down the road and
I know.
asking me my name. I didn't give them shit. Like you ain't got no reason to fucking stop me. Why would I give you my name?
Well, they kind of do. If someone called them, they got that, and that's all they got. But they have a grain of sand, and they're trying to build a castle out of it,
Yeah.
which is hilarious.
Like I don't have to give nobody my fucking name.
You know, I'm not mad at anybody, but this fucking clown. This guy this guy, I'm not mad at any of these all. These dudes are just doing their job. This guy's going above and beyond. He's trying to get a promotion. He's trying to be a judge or a lawyer or something. And it ain't gonna happen. Not if I can do anything about it. He's the only one I'm going after. Step in front of my threshold.
It's damn cold out here too. Can you guys hurry the fuck up? For real. You just holding Americans out in the fucking snow and cold? Does this make you feel good?
Here's another one. Which one? Yeah, get off my doorstep. Go on, get.
And that brings us to the end of this encounter. What started as a so-called investigation quickly exposed itself as intimidation, without evidence, authority without limits, and enforcement without accountability. This is exactly why knowing your rights and documenting these interactions matters, because once the cameras are rolling, the truth has a way of speaking for itself. If you believe this kind of behavior should never happen to law-abiding citizens, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more real-world encounters like this, and drop a comment below, sharing your thoughts on how the situation should have been handled. Your voice matters, and the conversation starts right